Oh, there it is. I see inside the cylinder now. So this came in, it doesn't turn over, the engine's seized up, so we're looking at it here. There's oil all over the bottom of it. So we found a hole in the side of the engine right here. Normally the rod bearing seize up and it decided to poke a hole in the side of the engine, so we get to put an engine in it. So it's exciting. We got some rod bearing tabs, a couple of them, a couple of bolts. Really aren't supposed to be in the oil pan. And if you look up in here, you can see more. Oh, wow, they're bearing. Oh, that's a piece of a rod, I think. I've never seen this one this bad. There's another bearing cap. There's probably 2 or 3, 4 maybe rods. They just keep coming out. I don't even know what that is. That must have made a pretty big noise. Yeah. Boom. Nice. For engine removal.
That's quite the hole. Yeah?
Yep.
Now you are put on the gloves. Construction.
Yeah, then I was working on my boss's truck one day, and I'm like, I think I'll just do this. Yeah, it was like a starter or something. This is preventing the thermostat from getting damaged, and I put it in. Very important little O-ring right there. Get our little chain over here. Thing is bolted to this pallet, so we gotta take it off there too. Almost free. Jeremy to help me with this for a second. Dangling $20,000. Yeah. All ready to start. Got the new engine in there, all filled up with fluids, charged the AC, all ready to go. So we're gonna fire it up and see how it goes.